This is a must. If you are a wig girl, I'm telling you, call somebody and tell the girls we got one.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still.
Welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, your girl is about to do a cute little install on herself. I'm gonna be trying out a V-part wig for the first time ever today from KlaiyiHair. This should be the easiest install, okay? So you know they give you the little trinkets in the box, and let me tell you, these come in handy. I'm so happy they started putting these in our boxes instead of extra stuff that we don't be using. So here is the wig, you guys. So excited to try this on. Straight out the packaroo. These can go really right or really wrong depending on who constructs them, who you getting them from. But off rip, I see that they have 4 clamps at the top. A cute little small V part, and they have a clamp in the middle. So that's 5 clamps, plus they have the combs on the wig. So when I say security is there, including the back comb as well as the adjustable straps in the back. Just by seeing all of these nice strong clamps at the top, feeling really sturdy, I feel like I'm gonna really like this. Open them up. And I don't really care for this one right here just because I be feeling like it just be pulling your hair out. So you do have to be careful in that sense. Inside is giving black, so you don't have to worry about, you know, that brown illusion peeking through. Put my hair in a bun. I just take the hair tied down as far as I can on my hair. That'll do. So just like that. How they cut this one is very close together, so you don't really have to commit to having a whole lot of hair out, and that's good. So let's go ahead and pop this on.
I'm outside in an AMG,
the middle ones right here.
TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the girls that I grew beside.
Clamping it. And then I'm gonna tuck this one right on that braid, the base of that braid. Oh, I'm so excited. It's super flat, y'all. Oh my god, yeah, that feels really good. Pull y'all in so y'all can see. I'm going to pull this down. I pulled the back down already, so it's over my little pony. Just gonna tuck the comb. I'm so glad they have combs instead of the clamps on the sides, because the clamps on the sides can pull at your hair and it can be very uncomfortable. So I'm really thankful for a cute little comb. This last comb in the back. Just imagine if I left some hair out in the back, y'all. I'll be able to put my hair up in a pony.
Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
This is it. I'm so excited about this. Like, what? This is a must. If you are a wig girl, I'm telling you guys. The only thing is on this side, this piece right here is not covering my anchor braid, but it's fine because all I have to do is like put a little bobby pin like that. My sewing girls, if y'all don't want to commit to a sewing, this right here, all you have to do is get somebody to do these anchor braids just like how you seen mine. This looks like a sewing. Call somebody and tell the girls we got one.
Hey, niggas ain't gotta respect, niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left, I love my Cardi to death. Hype Williams, Lil X. If it don't stay at the record, give a fuck. Yeah. I put some ice on her hand, I let her take in advance. She wasn't going as planned, I put her shit in the van. She gotta move with a friend, her she went back to a man. Give a fuck.
Okay, so look at that. Look at that blend in. Let's see if it looks like the weave. My hair is pretty black, so this wig is brown, but I don't want to put any like eco styling gel on my hair. We're just gonna do it real natural.
Bitch, up. He and Capo tryna leave our mark and piece the east up. Ain't nobody making too much money off the beef stuff. But I beef a rapper cause I'm never with the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Hey, niggas ain't gotta respect, niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left, I love my Cody to death.
It's like the placement on these anchor braids, everything, and how much hair I left out. Oh, girl, excuse me. If this don't look like a sew-in, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what you're seeing.
You be the boost for me, she a little cuter than me. She might not do it for you, little nigga, but she finna do it for me.
It be the tricks for me, it be the lick for me. Why I be falling in love with the hoe? It be the gifts for me.
It be the body for me, she a little hotter than me. She might not live one, she a little thotty for me.
It be the blues for me, purses and shoes for me. It ain't no, I'm just trying to get to know you. What you gon' do for me?
She do what I say like she broke body, and when I cut her out, could be no problems. If I want nobody, cause it be the face for me, the taste for me, to put that on the plate for me, the way she say pass out the state for me, and keep.
So of course we got to throw some layers in it. Like, we can't just go out like that, but we just gotta make sure we do not cut my hair. Long layer, but quality of hair is nice. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of chi on their hair as well. I really don't like sharing my chi, but because this hair is so nice, I guess we can do a little sharing is caring moment. This is the hair, this is how long the hair is, but we gonna cut that up to maybe like right here, you know, so it's not too long. Start this process. So you see my hair is down here, so we gonna start down here.
You be the boost for me, she a little cuter than me. She might not do it for you, little nigga, but she finna do it for me.
As you can see, it honestly doesn't need to be recurled. It looks already nice and full, just like that.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty up a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I really see my heart. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right?
Alright, so I'm gonna let these curls cool down on this side. It took me forever to figure out how I wanted to curl my hair today. But KlaiyiHair, you did the damn thing. I have another unit from another company that's curly. I think I'm gonna put my hair in some rods so it can give off that curly texture, if that makes sense. So hopefully I like it, because
I just caught a shorty up a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, DT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
Y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Wig will be on sale because of Black Friday, so make sure you take advantage.
I just caught a shorty up a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living, unconventional. I'm just trying.
Call somebody and tell the girls we got one.